van that ever was.
Yep.
Dang.
I hate this van.
All right. So the beauty of the van is it's a company vehicle that you don't have to worry about getting oil and gas in. The bummer of the van is that it's a van.
And it's noisy.
It's a van. It's not a Mercedes Sprinter van. It is a Ford Econoline, and by Econoline I mean Economy Edition van. Anyways, running with Travis today. We are going to A&R Muffler super quick to pick up a truck that we did a nice body lift on. This thing's a beast and it looks sweet. So we're gonna go from there, drop that off. Then we're running to Top Coat to drop off Christian's. Oh, we didn't get the wheels. We gotta get the wheels when we get back. Drop off Christian's Kelderman build at Top Coat, and then so yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as errands go. So check out this truck. All right, getting into this thing is truly atrocious in jeans that don't stretch. Gotta just swing the right leg up and send it. It is toasty. Whew, not impossible, but it's a big lift, big truck.
Pretty much up.
Let's see this athleticism.
What?
Let's see this athleticism.
This bitch is tall.
Let's see it.
Hold on, I gotta get a running jump start. If I bust my ass, you better not put this in the
I hope you do just for the video. Oh, that was close. Hey, you can get payback and hope that I do.
You gotta do it like I did it though.
Bro, these jeans do not stretch.
I don't care. Mine don't either. They're... Oh. You're lucky.
About to go compete in the high jump competition.
I was about to put it in reverse and go.
Man, go Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord.
A little bit backwards.
Just slam me with the door frame. All right, so today,
We got the AC.
yeah, sorry for the AC noise, but it's just a Texas day in the summer, so you're gonna have to apologize for those of you that have actually made it to this point in the video. Hopefully it's not too loud. But we took this thing over to A&R Muffler, which you're gonna see now. They welded on the braces, basically, just extra weight support for the bed, because we did a, what size body lift?
3-inch.
Oh, seatbelts before everybody yells at us in the comments, because it's already happened. Like, okay, well, here we go. So 3-inch body lift. This thing already had what suspension?
I'm not too sure what it has on it. I think it's at least an 8 for sure. Maybe a zone. There's no branding on it anywhere that I saw.
Yeah, we don't really know exactly what it is, but it's large, and it's got the dual front shock, Fox shocks with reservoirs. It's got just 2 in the rear though, right?
Yeah, just regular.
Regular setup in the rear with the reservoirs. So, as somebody who doesn't come from the truck scene necessarily, I'm always curious how these things drive and ride. This thing rolls some coal pretty good.
Does it?
Yeah.
No, that's not the one we did.
No. Little Hummer
I think it's
action.
on 40 though.
All right, so I don't know what the quality this video looks like. So this thing is actually a really nice truck. It's obviously a little bit older. It's the kit has been on it for a little while. One of the reservoir shocks in the front is has been leaking a little bit of fluid. We got some fun bits.
Thinking what I'm thinking?
No, I don't want to mess with the customer's stuff other than just showing it on camera, but this thing's really sweet. It actually, for this large of a setup, I think it drives pretty dang nice.
Not too bad.
It's right before it gets like to where you definitely shouldn't drive it like on the highway. It's on forces, right? With 30.
Yeah, it's on forces. 24 by 14s on 37s. Or wrapped in 37s.
Yeah. So now that he's with that body lift, what do you think you can push that tire size?
You can push
to?
40s.
You think you can run 40s?
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna try to sell him on some 40s so we can film it?
He's actually interested in some 26 by 14s.
Oh.
And some 40s.
So stay tuned. Hopefully we get to tinker on this thing some more, but this thing's sweet, and enjoy the montage.
What?
Here at Topico. What's up, guys? Just wanted to stop in and say thanks to everybody that's been watching the videos. It really means a lot to me personally, to all the guys that kind of do a lot of what I ask them sometimes. Secret code giveaway. The giveaway secret code for this video is 2222. It's 4 2s. 2222. Giveaway. All caps. While we're out here, we have this F600 project. And we want to lift it, kind of do some crazy stuff with it, but we're open to ideas. So if you have any suggestions on what to do with this beast, let us know. It runs and drives. It's actually pretty fun. We need to make more content with it, but I don't know, what should we do with it? I want to like get it roadworthy, like take it around Ranger Stadium and like put an intercom on it and like yell at people. Not yell at them, but just like, you know, go crack some jokes or whatever. Anyways,